John, the next area we want to talk about, the third key area on the motor grader, is the circle turn and mold board, because that's the part that gets all the work done.
Gotcha.
Okay? And in this area, Volvo's got something that's truly unique.
What's that?
That's our circle turn system. It uses direct acting hydraulic power working on 2 hydraulic cylinders which work through 2 belt cranks. They're 90 degrees out of phase. One's pushing and one's pulling at all times.
Right.
And we do that applying direct acting hydraulic power instead of going through a hydraulic motor with a worm gear reduction.
So what does the customer notice when using this system?
Well, what he notices right off the bat, what that operator notices, it's extremely powerful. Whatever this machine is capable of pushing, that circle's capable of cycling under load.
So that's why then our customers who run them have told me that when they go to move a pile of dirt, they don't have to wait for the blade to catch up with power or anything. It's instantaneous.
It's right there. Not only is it the strongest in the industry, it's the fastest.
Okay.
Now this is like a lot of other machines, it's full proportional hydraulic control, but
right.
Working through the direct acting hydraulic cylinders,
right.
It gives it tremendous power, but we're also able to have the fastest circle. And the importance there is that when an operator makes a 180 degree turn, he wants to change directions, he's coming back the other direction. He needs to cycle that blade over so that he's moving that material constantly in the same direction. So every time he does a 180 degree turn, the circle goes from one side of to the other, and he doesn't want to have to wait on that circle to turn.
Gotcha. So he's not waiting on the machine for him to do his job.
That's absolutely correct.
Okay.
And the reason it's important to be able to change that discharge angle on the go is that operator wants to keep that material rolling off the blade. This is not a bulldozer.
Right.
The motor grader rolls that material from one side to the next. You don't want to bulldoze that material. So he wants to maintain an angle that allows that material to roll without bulldozing, but he also wants to maintain a wide cut.
Gotcha.
And the two work kind of opposite, see? And so he's working that circle discharge angle all the time, and he wants to be able to do that on the go.
And you talked about a strong blade, fast circle turn, all that kind of thing, but how do you get that much power from here to the blade?
Well, our teeth are cut on the outside of the circle.
Right.
Notice the teeth right here?
Right.
Everybody else has the teeth cut down on the inside of the circle. This gives you 2 main user benefits. Number one, with the teeth on the outside, that's a gear.
Gotcha.
The larger diameter that gear is, the more mechanical force you can generate to turn that circle. The other thing that's important is with the teeth on the outside, it doesn't get jammed up with material. This machine's capable of rolling material right over the top of that blade, and it happens from time to time. If your teeth are cut on the inside, it gets jammed up with material.
So that's why we see a lot of times people that break components on the system and uses an internal drive.
That's correct. And the other thing here, we're using our exclusive Duramide circle support material, and typically you go 5,000 hours or more on the circle support material. In fact, we've had machines that have come in on trade at 8,000 and 9,000 hours. They still have the original circle support bearings on them.
So what kind of maintenance is required for the Duramide wear surfaces?
It requires no greasing, no lubrication. It's all self-lubricating.
They're all dry run.
That's it.
Well, that's pretty interesting. Thanks a lot, Gary.